Welcome to Talk About It with Queen Esther. I am your host, and on this show, we'll be talking about family issues, family matters, life experience. You gain educational value, inspirational and relatable values on this show. This show is brought to you by JC's Media Concept. And I have a story, and I know you have a story. So come, let's share our stories to the world. Let's share our stories so our story can inspire the world, can inspire people. One or two people out there, we don't know what they are going through. But when you tell them your story, when you tell them that this is what happened to me and this is how I was able to overcome this, I bet you it will help a whole lot of people to, come out and be better. I want to encourage everyone to come out, tell your story, to encourage one or two people. They will learn from you. They will learn from this channel. That is what this channel is all about. Also, we're going to have guests coming for us to sit on a round table to analyze, dissect, and talk about different topics that will be encouraging and inspiring to my audience, to the community at large. So please, I would want to encourage you to like my videos, share, and follow us, so that you'll be one of the first people to get our videos when they are being uploaded once every week. I am so happy today that this dream has finally seen the light of day. Thank you so much. I know I can count on you. I promise that this show will be inspirational, will be exciting, interesting, mind-blowing. It will keep you glued to your screen. And I want to say thank you to everyone, my would-be audience, my family and friends, and my media crew as well. I cannot do this without you. Our motto is your story and inspiration to someone. So let your story inspire one or two people out there. Today is a special day in my life. A day that I turned +1 today. And I'm so happy and I'm so excited that I'm going to the orphanage home to visit and share my time with those privileged children, because they are special children. I just want to share my day with them and just stay with them, share the comments with them. And I want to use the opportunity to thank everyone that sent in their contribution for these children to have more than enough. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. And guess what? Today is the first episode of Talk About It with Queen Esther. Wow, I'm so excited. My dream is finally coming to light. It has finally come to light. It's finally been birthed. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining Talk About It with Queen Esther. So this month, April, we'll be having my birthday party and launching of Talk About It with Queen Esther. So just stay glued and wait for the uploads so you see what happened after today. God bless you all. Thank you. I love you. Ciao, ciao.